New vlog. We're middle of nowhere. You want to see? It's raining right now, so it's not looking too great, but there it is. Just woods for like miles.
Episode 5, Life of Jordi. Here we go.
Yo, what up?
What'd you say?
It looks like a black pancake. Here's lens.
Oh yeah, I got a filter for it. It does. You can't see a single thing out of this thing. It's kind of crazy.
Jordi,
do you need help? Are you sure you don't need help?
Positive.
Okay.
I'm all good. Rizzo!
Yeah, because Pharrell did it.
He just woke up.
Yeah, so.
Come on, buddy. We're in a candy store in Bushkill, Pennsylvania. Should we get that? I don't know. I don't really want to.
I don't think we're gonna eat it. So. No. Meth sticks? You mean rock candy? It's pretty common.
You know. I don't even like chocolate. I don't know what I'm doing here.
This man right here doesn't like chocolate. We're in a chocolate shop. He's really out of place. He's stressing out, but.
What the hell is that?
Chocolate.
That's a GoPro.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a GoPro.
You just hold it?
Yeah.
Put it on your helmet.
There's more candy out here.
That was a first-person view of what I saw. Yeah. Yeah. No, just peanut. 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 No. Peanut. Yeah, that's it. He doesn't like chocolate. Loser.
But thank you though.
SMH my head, guys.
On a real note, they actually have legitimately everything here. Like, this is not the room, but they have like all this stuff. Check it out. Nut roaster.
Peanut.
Gumballs. Gum.
Green machine.
Packing machine. Legos.
Dog candies.
These things.
Snake man.
Bananas.
Sugar straw.
Little balls. Tootsie Rolls. More Legos. Jolly Ranchers. Fire hydrant. Goose. These things. Those things. And these things. We need to give some backstory because you guys probably have absolutely no idea what we're doing. Right now we're in
Pennsylvania. You don't know where. Alright.
Pennsylvania. So there's a place called Bushkill. It looks exactly the way it sounds. Just like
Nothing.
absolutely nothing. But yeah, we're here.
We're going to a candy shop.
There you go. Candy shop. Next we're going to a pretzel place or something like that. I have no idea. But this whole trip that we're doing, that me and Matt are doing, is we're gonna go like snowboarding tomorrow and the day after, the one after that.
It's hard to go snowboarding when it's raining though.
But yeah, it's raining right now, so we're gonna have to wait for the extra snow and then we'll go. So we're spending New Year's here. Should be amazing. Ryan is also in Pennsylvania, but he is not with us. He's in like a different part.
Lame. Good news, we made it alive.
Made it.
This is a pretzel factory, and it has pretzels, and pretty good. Except guess who doesn't like pretzels? This guy.
That's crazy.
Sherman. Hey. Yo.
Hey. Hey.
What the hell? Where's Rizzo? I just fell down the stairs like so cool though, dude. I played it off so well. I was like, got up and looked around. I was like, oh shit, no one saw that. Yo, what up? This is Jay Sharms. Chilling,
Yeah.
Long Island, New York. Down with this guy.
We're out here.
MPA, chilling.
PA
It's New
piss on a
Year's
bush.
weekend. About to get
Not my
lit
water.
AF.
Lit.
Yeah, pissed AF.
Pissed
Pissed
AF.
Everybody
Invisible driver.
sucks. You want to justify ripping someone's head off.
Come here often.
What's up? Pause that. We can't have copyrighted music in there. Feels bad. Okay, can you like grow up and stop crying? What are you crying? What are you crying for? What's? Yeah, on the way back from whatever we were doing, we got some pizza, some random place.
Balls.
Okay, how good. Adjust your balls on camera. Yeah. All right.
We're going snowboarding tomorrow.
We're going snowboarding.
Jordan, working on his juggling skills. As you can see, he's professional though.
Almost.
Yapless. Not quite, but yeah, I'm say. So I decided to do this. Just thought of this weird thing that's going on. So you know Drake, right? Drake, pretty common artist. George put a picture right here.
His name's Aubrey.
Why is his name Aubrey? Who names their male son Aubrey?
And his last name is like
Graham.
named after a cracker.
Yeah, graham cracker. Man, I hate that dude so much.
I love Drake, but his
No,
name's
I hate
weird.
graham crackers.
Oh.
Graham crackers are mad good. S'mores? S'mores are mad good.
The cinnamon ones are the best. You know what I'm saying?
Cinnamon s'mores?
Cinnamon graham crackers.
Word. Can we show them a little snippet?
No, I don't know.
Something?
Maybe. Maybe the audio.
That's pretty smooth. I like it. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow, big day, big day. Big,
I bet
big
you
day.
can see me in the corner.
There's no way. They would be pretty smart. We're going snowboarding tomorrow, right? I'll take you guys along with us. It's gonna be fun. Right now, we're going to bed. It would be like 7 tomorrow. It's gonna suck. Alright. Peace out. See you homies later. Good night.